Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this case is made by Mkeke. I've used their cases before and they're pretty good cases, clear cases as well. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the MKEKE Compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max case, compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max Clear 6.7 inch. All right, that's the clear version. I think that's the only color you get right there, but as you can see, that's a look right there. Fits the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's going to let you get the color of the phone through TPU PC material. $10.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, now here's the box that comes in. MKK shockproof slim case. Talks about the case on the back. TPU, precise design, crystal clear, slim case. Let's pull this out of the box. I've got a little tape right there. Get that off. Okay, let's pull this out of the box right here. All right, let's pull this to the side right there. Now here's the case. It's a clear case. It's kind of got a hard polycarbonate back, feels like. And your camera's raised up there, so you're going to have protection there. And you got some raised areas on the corner, so you can see the back won't be settling on the whatever surface you have it on. Power button right there. The speaker grills and your charging port opening right there. You got some branding right there. You got your volume down rocker and your mute switch right there. And nothing else on the case. Now the TPU size are fairly stiff, so not as soft as some TPU, but that's good in some cases because it gives you a better fit, not sliding around and all mushy. All right, now let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so we got the 12 Pro Max right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside, see how this looks. Now, that case normally fits pretty well. It's nice, sticky side, so it's not slippery. You're going to have good grip with this phone case right here. As you can see, the front comes up a little bit, not too much, but you got some protection there. You might want to put a screen protector on your device if you are concerned about that, but it does come up a little bit, but not too much. You got these reinforced air corners right here for drop protection. And as you can see, the camera is well protected. It's not going to get any scratches on that because you got this raised area right here, and you got these feet on the corner. That's going to help keep the back off of the surface. All right, now the everything lines up right there for the charging port and your speaker grills. You got a little branding right there, and you got your mute switch. You can get to that no problem. And the power button and all that stuff is clicky and works well. All right, so this is a good case. I like it because it's sticky. You know, you can. It's not going to slide. You see, I got my hand flat. It's not sliding right there. And I'm even moving my hand, shaking my hand around. That's how sticky this case is. So this is a good case for grip. All right, now fingerprints. You're probably going to get some fingerprints on this because it's clear, and you got to, you know, depending on what kind of phone you have, what color your phone is, you might see fingerprints more, but not too bad right now, as you can see. But I like the stickiness of this case and this nice rubbery side. So it's going to give you good air protection there. Okay. Wireless charge will work. I've used it before, so no problem there. It will work with this case. Okay. Okay, so that was a quick look at the MKK Clear case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Nice case, nice grip, and it's going to give you good protection. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.